This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Grohowski and Kim Lam. Great investor opportunity. This 2-halves condo has a nice living room area overlooking the pond. Brand new carpet recently installed. The community has a 24-hour man-secured and gate entrance. The community has beautiful landscape and manicured grounds throughout. Resort-style amenities that include 3 swimming pools and hot tub, air-conditioned racquetball court, steam room, fitness center, 2-lane bowling alley, clubhouse with pool tables. Property is located within minutes of Universal Studio and major highways. For more information, review the details below or contact Grohowski and Kim Lam at 407-406-5322.